I'm actually just going to explore some door cards. I've got 3 for the car, 2 passenger and 1 driver's, and they're all in different states of repair or disrepair, as the case might be. This one's actually got some really good material on it. It's actually quite good shape. It's not bowed here, however, the vinyl has lifted. So I might explore this, stripping this one down, putting the material back on and putting it all back together again. I'm kind of aware that it's probably been heat glued in the past, but we'll see how that goes. We'll see. I've also got damage on this here where it's kind of been compressed. I might actually be able to wet the cardboard. I might actually be able to, this is just like it's basically cardboard. I might be able to wet this, push this smoothly out, which will get rid of the crease on the outside. And I'll do the handle reinforcement here. For when the next person's elbow that goes on it doesn't go straight through it. But it has got some good bits on it. Like I say, it's got some good vinyl. And it actually wraps all the way around. It's got a nice door pocket on it, which has probably gone off in the past because the screws are all loose. And it's got some clips. The first one I took off was broken, so at least I've got clips to put them back on. And that's door card number 1. Door card number 2 is the driver's side. The driver's side. We'll start with the inside because this is the worst. You can see it's very much softer on the back. So I might be able to take this and strengthen it in the right place. And then here, again, this needs to be moistened, steamed maybe, brought back into shape. On the far end, the vinyl's parting ways. Broken clips like I mentioned before, so I can make good 3 into 2 hopefully. Still driver's side. You can see the soft bit here. It's not showing too much visually on the outside, so I could just get away with reinforcing it. But this bit here, consider how high it's supposed to be. It's really gone there. It's really gone. So I'm going to reinforce the back of this one. I have to keep this one because I've only got one driver's side at the moment. I might look at getting some more. If this one's successful, I might strip down further and do a big rebuild. The material's quite dirty, so I'm going to try and give that a clean, a sympathetic clean, so it's got like a little bit of sponge on the back. Don't want it holding too much moisture, and if you blast it with steam, then it'll just dislodge the glue and it'll just come off. This one's got the nice welding on it where the seams are. I'll have to try and recreate that, I think, for one of the other door cards to make good. So we're looking at elbow repair. It's quite grubby as well. Let's see if we can get a degreaser in and take some of that off. And in the light, the plastic does have a bit of a white fleck to it. So I'm going to see if I can get it cleaned up. Interestingly, this is the handle colour. Well, it's really bright in comparison. And then this is the passenger one I took off. On this end, if you can see on camera, this is just like some black sticky. I don't even know what's happened there. But yeah, this one the likelihood is this is not going to go again. It's got the worst material on the back here. It's got the most staining. It's not got a bad handle. It's probably got the worst door pocket. And the handle that came off it was, the handle here was really bad as well. So we'll see. This is potentially just an overview door cards, and I'll put a link. I'll put a link into actual repair later on.